Dear students, a very warm welcome to one and all. Today, here we are discuss the pharmaceutical chemistry 2, name of the topic diuretic. What are the different subpoints we will cover in the today's topic? Number 1, you should define what do you mean by diuretic. Then classification of diuretics. What are the different structures under this topic diuretics like furosemide, urea, mannitol, etc. And fourth one is the properties uses with their storage stability conditions. Myself, Mr. Abhijit Ankush Kachre, working as a lecturer in KCD's Krishna College of Pharmacy, Karad. These are the 5 different outcomes. After completion of this diuretic topic, student or learner will be able to achieve all 5 objectives or outcomes. It may be define, classify, structure, then properties and uses, what are the stability and storage condition for these diuretic drugs. So whenever we discuss the drug diuretic, you should one thing keep in your mind, diuretics is related with your urinary system, which is useful for the formation of urine in the human body. So let us discuss the next point. What is the definition of diuretics? And here is the definition of diuretic in front of you. The drugs which increase the rate of formation and excretion of urine through the kidney. Generally, the normal process of formation of urine is decreased. That time, the diuretics drug are used, which increase the rate of formation of urine and excretion of urine throughout the kidney. What they are generally exactly mechanically act on the kidneys by increasing the excretion of sodium ion and other ions along with the water by decreasing its reabsorption. It is very important what exactly happen after binding the diuretics drug to the specific area of the kidneys of the receptors. It increases especially sodium ion excretion along with other ions by decreasing its reabsorption. So diuretics means, if we divide that word diuretics, that di indicates double, twice, and uretics means the formation of urine. So diuretics means the rate of formation is increased. Now the next, what are the different drugs under the class of diuretics? Very first is a weak diuretics, and here is the examples of these drugs. Second one is the moderate potent diuretics. These are the different examples like chlorothiazides, hydrochlorothiazides, benzothiazides. Next class very potent loop high selling diuretics, and these are the examples like furosemide, tranexamic acid. This is the classification part. Point number 8 is potassium sparing diuretics. These are the examples. Anti-diuretic hormones, there is the lithium salt. So this is the detail about the classification of diuretics. In MSBT exam, frequently asked questions like define and classify diuretics with examples. So these are the different class and their examples according to subtypes. Into this all classification, the important drug is chlorothiazide, hydrochlorothiazide, furosemide, then urea, mannitol. These are the important drugs under this classification or the detailed explanation drugs. So this is A to E. There are 6 different classes A to F under the classification of diuretic drugs. I hope you pause the video and write in your notebook for your exam point of view. Now, very important point is the structure. So this is the first structure under the topic diuretics. Name of the structure is hydrochlorothiazide. There is the presence of thiazide nucleus along with the sulfonamide subfunctional group. There is a presence of chlorine. That's why the name of the structure is hydrochlorothiazide. Second structure is furosemide, which is frequently asked in exam. There is a presence of furin ring, sulfonamide group, and chlorine atom. Furosemide is the very important structure. Number 3 is mannitol, and fourth one is the urea. These are the 4 important structures under the category of diuretic. So I hope you should draw these all structures in your notebook. I pause this video. Okay. Now the next, what are the properties and uses of diuretic drugs? First important drug is urea. Here is the properties, their use, and some preparations available in market like injection and cream. Then second drug is furosemide, properties, uses, their preparation, and some brand names of furosemide drugs. These are the 2 important drugs under the category of diuretics, which is frequently asked in your exam point of view. So write this all in your notebook and prepare for your exam also. Okay. So now we are moving to the next part. It's what is the stability and storage condition for diuretic drugs? Whenever you write the stability and storage for your exam purpose, you should write it should in a well tightly closed container and protected from light. So this is the detail about the diuretic. So there are very important points under this topic, like draw the structures of furosemide, chlorothiazide, then mannitol, then classify diuretic drug. These are the important questions which is asked in frequently. So this is about the diuretics. I am here conclude the today's discussion, that is the diuretics. If any question or doubt, message me on my chat box. Thank you so much.